Okay, so this is my Reddit Secret Santa, which has just shown up. Let's just jump right into it. Come on. Stabby, stabby, knifey. Well, not knifey. I can't be trusted with a knife. Not since the incident, anyway. Come on, snip. I think that's have I successfully snipped? No. Yep. Snip. Right. How do I get in? Let me in. I want the Secret Santa. Snip. Come on. You ever tried unboxing one-handed? I don't know how the YouTubers do it. I have a feeling it's going to be open top up, so I'll do that. I'm going to do a slicey thing. I'll be back. Hang on. Slicey thing in progress. Slicey thing complete. Alright. I genuinely don't know what this is. I was focusing on my Secret Santa for my other person. I didn't even think about this all that much. Deck the halls with balls of holly. Your Secret Santa sure is jolly. I giddily leave a gift for you. Hope it makes you jolly too. Best wishes from your Secret Santa. This is so cool. I love the idea of Reddit Secret Santa. Oh, it's still don't know what it is. Oh, looks like we need another snippy thing. Come on. I've not been all that Christmassy because cast and bike crash has taken up my time. Ooh, it's 2 boxes, one's fragile. I'll put that to the side. Start with a little black box. I don't know what this is going to be. I don't want to break the box. It's like coaster. Oh, that's so awesome! I told them I was a huge SpaceX fan. Basically just begged for a SpaceX thing on my Secret Santa profile, low-key begged. Hang on. That's really cool. Oh, that's really cool! Look at that, oh, excuse my terrible nail, I haven't been able to cut my nails because of this cast. Oh, that's proper etched. That's like distressed looking. Oh, that's so awesome. Oh man, that's a small one. What is the big one? It's heavy as well. Yeah. I'm going to do a slicey thing again. There. Wait there. Slicey thing in progress. Slicey thing's gone a bit wrong. Slicey thing is complete. Well, slicey the first. Hang on, second slice. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's go. Fragile. It looks like we've got some straw stuff. What? Oh, look at that TARDIS. What on earth? I don't know what this is. But it's got the TARDIS etched to it. Oh, that's so cool. I'm going to give this a try in a minute. Actually, no, I'm not. I've got a hospital appointment. I'm going to come home and give this a try. Oh, but that's awesome. Oh, I'm going to reuse this. This is so cool. Look, it's got a .2 logo. I think that's the old one as well. I like that one. That's one of my favourites. TARDIS card. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, I'm going to sit down today and have a great drink. Oh, man. Cheers. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. That is so cool. I was not expecting that. Thank you very much. Happy Christmas.